Hello all, good afternoon. Madam's name is Celia. She's coming from Pondicherry. And உண்மையா சொன்னா இவங்க எதுக்காக வந்திருக்காங்கன்னா she searched for ozone therapy and she found us. And those who don't know the value of ozone therapy, she's the best example. How you came to know about ozone therapy in Chennai, ma'am?
I have checked in internet,
Okay.
and I've looked at all the sites, and
Okay.
I've seen like all like the people testifying, and
Okay.
I've seen like all the treatment like you are doing, and
Okay.
I was saying, oh, this is from, oh, this is what I need,
Okay.
oh, this is what I have. So it
So you
was
connected all the problems.
yeah,
Okay.
I connected all, and I really felt like it was like something like I needed.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm very happy
That
to
you found
find
us. Okay.
the center.
Actually, the main motive of Oxy Plus is adding oxygen to life. Oxy is nothing but oxygen. So we add an activated form of oxygen, which is nothing but ozone. So இது நிறைய பேத்துக்கு தெரியாது. So this is an awareness video. Those who come from abroad, they know the value of ozone therapy because in India, it is available very easy. But in abroad, it is not that easy. You can share your experience, ma'am, if you know about those your friend you are saying like a story, right? Yes.
No, they told me about ozone. I didn't know myself, and they told me, oh,
Okay.
there is ozone. You must do that. You must see for that. And I thought there was none actually.
No
in
one,
China.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
they're like, but no, there is no point of it doesn't
Searching.
exist in
Understood.
India.
Understood.
And yes,
Actually, to be honest, ozone therapy is not very aware. Many people are not aware of it because of they think it's something very new and there are a lot of side effects. It's not like that. So we are just giving oxygen to the body, and the more the oxygen we give, the oxygen-rich environment, no virus, no bacteria, and no any kind of parasitic
that's what the
infections
point.
can't survive. So to heal the body completely, you need oxygen. Oh, here is the best example.
yes,
She-
because it was not only like cleaning, but adding the ozone, what really like
detox.
yeah,
Detox.
that's
Yeah.
regeneration.
Rejuvenation. That's true. The simple point is rejuvenate.
Also, like yeah.
At the
Not
end,
only
actually, at the end of all the treatments, I add oxygen to many people. So, because to prevent the recurrence and to give a good glow and to sustain the results. So, the main purpose of adding oxygen is to have a longevity and to prevent the recurrence of any diseases and to have a connect with the nature. So, thank you. Hope this was an awareness video about ozone therapy. And thank you so
Yeah.
much. She is very
Thanks so
friendly. She is very friendly and she trusted. She called me like actually Pondicherry இன்னொன்னு எனக்கு அந்த கனெக்ட் வந்தது because I believe in Pondicherry அம்மா அவங்களை எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் and she is a follower of her. I think so. Maybe I'm very very grateful. The people are connecting to me with the divine connect and thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you to
Oh my
done
God.
this.